The Electoral Commission is considering the possibility of allowing political meetings with regulated numbers to complement virtual campaigns. This is one of the many proposals that the EC is looking at in the run-up to the 2020-2021 general elections.
And we have a virtual audience.
Justice Simon Byabakama, the EC chairperson, made the remarks today at an inter-party organization for dialogue engagement organized by the Netherlands Institute for Multi-Party Democracy and the Public Policy Institute under the theme Delivering Safe and Credible Elections Amidst COVID-19 in Uganda. IPOD is a dialogue platform that brings together political parties with representation in parliament.
The other proposal is whether people cannot be permitted, candidates cannot be permitted to conduct door-to-door or what they call kakuyege campaigns. But that we have to do in consultation with the Minister of Health. We also encourage the use of flyers, posters, banners.
On the African continent, 11 countries have indefinitely postponed their local government and parliamentary elections. However, no country has postponed its presidential elections. Using Kampala's Chikuba Business Center as an example, Major General Mugisha Muntu, the presidential flag bearer of the Alliance for National Transformation, says any decision to ban mass campaign rallies should be evidence-based.
Chikuba, there are people who go there on a daily basis. They need to start monitoring. Take a whole month. Go there, test them weekly. To not do that and still insist that we cannot have rallies would have made that conclusion out of either fear or misinformation, or there would be a different intention.
However, with 3.6 million party positions to fill, Justin Kasule Lumumba, the Secretary General of the National Resistance Movement, who represented President Yoweri Museveni, blames the EC for not considering internal party dynamic as it revised the roadmap.
The topmost executive committee of any political party must go through election. The law expects us to have them elected. You are giving us guidelines with the advice of the scientists, the Ministry of Health, that we should not have that number, but at the same time, you expect us to have them elected.
Lumumba also castigated the EC for not including political parties into their request for a supplementary budget.
You're supposed to fund political parties that have representatives in parliament, for which I take the biggest share, and I thank the voters of Uganda. You counted us as political parties among the non-essential services and released no money.
Norbert Mao, the President General of the Democratic Party, called for all elections to be held on the same day. However, Justice Byabakama rejected the proposal because of the logistical challenges it presents.
You'll save a lot in fuel, drivers' allowances, and cost of personnel. 2, you are going to save money on security. I've seen the budget for security is massive in your own department. Then, the money you save should be given to media houses so that media houses don't have the incentive to hike the cost of radio talk shows.
Forum for Democratic Change was conspicuous in its absence at the IPOD meeting. As the back and forth on the revised electoral roadmap continues, time is not standing still. The EC is advising political parties to up their act because the clock is slowly ticking towards February 2021. And yet, the election must be held. Gillian Nantume, NTV.